G'day, Rudy here. So this video is all about the banks. We'll go through the four of them and Macquarie individually and then see how they're going against the King. So we're starting off with the King, MVR. So nice start to the week. So these are weekly candles we're looking at. So just take big picture again. So big run up, consolidation. Now into the breakout phase. Alright, so first cab off the rank is ANZ. So this is a monthly chart. So you can see all these banks, lovely run up until that time. So ANZ was my preferred bank. So it looks okay, it looks good. Looks like it's got its eyes on that all-time high there. How's it going to get? How's it going against the King? So MVR over ANZ. So that's a draw. So ANZ safe and sound. Okay, Westpac. Again, we're on monthly candles. There's that run. All the banks have got sort of different chart patterns. It's quite interesting. So you can see Westpac had this nice declining trend line, then bang, consolidation, bang, and now it's at all-time highs, bang. I thought US free cheap money might, anyway, they're probably going to wait to see what America does tonight. But that is potentially disturbing, all-time highs, whether it'll wobble or not. So MVR over Westpac, monthly candles again. So even with that stunning monthly candle, it's still a draw. I'd call that a draw. So any weakness, the King MVR will pounce. Nab. So Nab, the big run up. These big wides, they've been terrible investments really, haven't they? Look at that. Okay, anyway, shut up, Rudy. So I got this one wrong. I had two goes at Nab. They absolutely made a mockery of me. Oh, you get that? Okay, so Nab's now at this top of its trend line here. This new channel. So it could still, well, technically it can still come down here, find support and have another run. So that was, you're an idiot, Rudy. Okay, the King, MVR over Nab. Go back to a monthly candle. So still been a draw, really. Okay, now from one King to the other. Okay, so you can see CBA is just much more pleasurable chart. Look at the pennant up, the broadening wedge up, a bit of a channel up, perfect. So it's had a few. Well, that's what they called this. Had the shooting star there. I don't know if you can see that. It went up there and went. That was the nail in the coffin. So I've had 1, 2, 3, and this is my fourth go. I don't think it's going to act like the other banks. There's obviously some switching going on. So how's it going against? So MVR over CBA. Well, I think MVR's got this one in the bag. You can see we've got a bit of a consolidation at this trend line before, a bit like this one. A little bit of weakness in CBA, a bit of strength in MVR, and that's game over for the new King. So MVR paying 4-ish% div and CBA high twos div. Anyway, I know people don't want to sell their banks, but I'm just putting it out there. Then the other one that's not really a bank, but it is so Macquarie Group. So they've been a superb investment too. Look at that. They're sitting right on this long-term trend line here. If we go to a weekly chart, it's pretty sporadic really. So it needs to either get a giddy up above here and start moving on, or it's I should draw that, or it's there. So it's not game over for Macquarie, but it wouldn't want to like drop below, close below 214, otherwise that would signal another test down here. MVR over MQG. So it's bouncing off support, so going up is MVR winning. So nothing conclusive if we look at a weekly chart. So nothing conclusive yet. And we've got higher lows. So it needs to make higher highs before you can put the nail in the coffin for MVR. Alright, so it looks like the banks are safe except for CBA, I reckon. So it'll give you time. You can wait for the end of the week for confirmation. Give you time to think about it. If you've never heard of MVR, I'll leave it at the end of this video, the latest update on it. And also, some people have never heard of an ETF, so if you've never heard of an ETF, I'll leave that at the end of this video too. Alright, let us know your thoughts. Say, shut up Rudy, I'm not going to sell my banks. Alright, see ya.